Ever wonder what goes into a custom vinyl logo decal for a company truck? At V-Twin Skinz in Miami, it's precision, patience, and pure craftsmanship. So just FYI guys, this video is less than 20 minutes and I did this on purpose. I wanted you guys to see exactly how much work goes into making a custom logo decal. This video is sped up 5 times. Of course, I slow it down at the end to show you some detail. And we are starting with 3 separate colors for the cutouts. Yes, we did reduce the amount of colors on the logo down to 3. Originally, I believe there was 7 or 8 different colors and grayscales. But you do have to minimize these to make it easier to work with. I say easier. This is not exactly easy, guys. There's a lot of work happening here. So each one of these colors, again, 3 colors, is black, white, and red. Each one is plotted. As you're seeing on screen, I am now weeding out the extra material. All of this is prepped by hand. There are no shortcuts here. So layering is where the magic happens. I don't know if you noticed on the previous screen and on the following two colors, in each corner there are registration marks. They do help, but for fine details and lettering, it's old school placement. Every single piece matters. As you can tell on screen right now, this is me demonstrating how I am placing letters, individual letters by hand. Again, very precise work. There's just no other way to do it with the vinyl cutouts. Very different than the high-tech printers. This is a tried and true method of placing custom vinyl decals on vehicles. Next, I am going to be putting or applying the transfer tape. This one is clear and does have the placement marks on it to make application easier. After hours of prep, the final install begins, and this is what brings the brand to life. This is why custom work takes time and why it's priced for precision. So, do you want your business to roll bold in Miami? Hit us up at V-Twin Skinz for custom wraps that get you noticed. DM us or visit us at vtwinskinz.com to get started.